Hey friends, welcome back to our show. Today, we're learning about nouns, the names of people, places, and things. Let's dive in and have fun with it. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names something. It can name a person, a place, or a thing. It can also name animals. Ready? Let's look at some examples. First, people. A noun can be a person, like a friend, a teacher, or a student. Point to someone nearby and say their name. That's a person, a noun. Now places. A noun can be a place like school, park, or library.
Amazing.
And things. A noun can be a thing you can touch, like a pencil, ball, or book. Quick practice. I'm thinking of 3 classroom nouns. Tell me if they're a person, a place, or a thing. Ball. Thing.
Oh, wow.
Nurse. Person. Playground as a place.
Yahoo!
Cat. Thing. Animal, which is a kind of thing you can name. Great job. Now I'll say a sentence and you spot the noun. The boy sits on a chair. What's the noun here? That's right. Boy and chair are nouns. Nouns help us talk clearly. If we say the girl, we're naming a person.
Oh, wow.
If we say the park, we're naming a place. If we say the book, we're naming a thing.
Yahoo!
We can use nouns to tell our stories. Here's a quick activity you can do with a family member. Look around your room and name 5 nouns you see. Decide if each is a person, a place, or a thing. Then tell a friend or family member one short sentence using a noun, like, the cat is sleeping, or the library is quiet. Remember, nouns are names for people, places, things, and even animals. The more nouns you know, the clearer your sentences become. If you enjoyed learning how to use nouns, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons. What will we learn next? Stick around and keep practicing your skills. Have a fabulous day.